Octopus. Now, if you've only had calamari in a store or a restaurant, you've got to try this. Now, this is what Mediterranean food's all about. Now, this octopus was frozen. If you live in North America, it's really hard to get fresh, but frozen will do. Now, let's take it apart. All we have to do is a simple cut here. Straight down. There we go. Cut the head off. Now we've got the tentacles to deal with. Now let's just spread that out and just start cutting it apart. We have to skewer these, so we got to get them to a level where they're all even. So let's just turn them over. And this is probably the perfect one. That's the size we want. There we go. We'll just line them up. Here we go. All right. Simple cut down at the end. That's it. Gone. Now we're ready to skewer. I've got these fancy metal skewers, but you can use soaked wooden skewers. So let's just go through the base here. Hold it tight. Try to find the middle. That's what we're looking for here. There we go. Just go nice and slowly. So we're going to put these onto the grill. This way they'll keep their shape. Now these are going to be very tasty. So we've got one done. Let's do a few more. Now I've got half on skewers and half loose. Might as well mix them up a little bit. Now we got to season these up. We're going to use a little olive oil. There we go. A little oregano. Let's get that all over. Little pepper. Got to bring up some heat. Little salt. You'll stand by. Some parsley. Let's give that a nice little roll, coat them. Now we've got to do our sardines. Want to make sure all the moisture is off. Here we go. Get all those bottom ones. Because we're going to put them on the grill. They're going to take no time at all. But all we're going to use now, a little olive oil. Little salt, a little pepper, maybe a bit of both. Just roll those around. These are ready for the grill. Time to put our octopus on. These are only going to take about 3 minutes, 1.5 minutes per side. The beauty about these is that they're going to char, and we're going to keep them nice and straight. Now the ones that I don't have on the skewer, watch this little neat trick. They curl up. See it curling? Neat little trick, eh? All right, leave those alone. Let's get our sardines on. Now, sardines are going to take no time at all. About 2 minutes. We're going to get some nice grill marks on these.